I know.
Again,
we have to repeat everything. Andreas, thanks a lot for giving us the feedback that there is tone. Oh my God. Every day, we learn it. We are learning it. Andreas, thanks a lot. Now the tone is there. Sound please, it's there now. Social good is here as well again. So I just was explaining the trade. So we are now $180 in plus. It's the prop trading account. The entry was with the strategy I was explaining yesterday. We are now moving just stop loss again according to the boundaries here. We had a breakout of the range, we had a retest, we went with a stop order in, and we are now trailing just the profits into the target. I moved the target a bit because we see still the momentum to the downside, but it looks like that we are at about to break, so I'm thinking about to take the $160 off here right now. Yes, I'm taking them off. Probably let me wait a bit still. Make it bigger so I can better see the price movement. Maybe moving above this candle here. Now let's stay here above the. And if we are now maybe still see a bit of a drop, would be amazing thing here. Yes, we are now going in direction of 200. If the candle closes green, I'm off. Oh no. I'm off. Okay, I took $155 now as a profit. This morning we are having still running here the Dow Jones from the sentiment trade. I cannot do anything there. This is the sentiment trade. We have the DAX still running in profit. We have the Euro New Zealand dollar running into profits. So overall the account is at around what is it, 1%? No, not even.
congrats.
0.5% in profit. Oh, thanks. Let's try to find something else still. Maybe get still the retracement trade that you are having. So how you are observing it at the moment, Liz?
I'm waiting for the reversal, also for the signal to go long, and waiting for the signal, the lower low. I have to repeat it.
Higher low.
Lower low and higher low.
Higher low, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to repeat everything because we were somehow having technical problems. We forgot to switch the microphone on. Oh my God.
Do you want to show my screen?
Yes, of course. Of course. No.
Okay, it looks good. I was saying that I am waiting for the signal to go longer, to go long, and of course adjusting my position, my lots, the position size. I was showing, and I want to repeat that the algorithm yesterday was recovering a little bit of my capital.
Yes.
And according to that, I was fixing again.
The position size. You were adjusting it.
Yes. Okay. Here I was trying with a very tight stop loss. That's so good.
And the end it was good.
Uh-huh. but still waiting for the moment, and I would like to use this also to calculate the moment when should I go
When you should go out. The profit.
out.
For the profits, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. And you were talking also about the algorithm, the CrazyDAX.
The CrazyDAX. Yeah, the CrazyDAX is now we get momentum into the Dow Jones to the upside, maybe. So this could be a good observation. The CrazyDAX is actually just an algorithm that helps to identify retracement or reversal points, and then is opening with momentum more position and going to a threshold of a few hundred points. And this is something that helps traders as well to get fast trades done, which is very difficult to execute manually, because of the precision of the positioning building up in a certain distance, in the optimal distance, or when the momentum sets in. And yeah, I'm in the description of the live stream as well is written where you can find more information about his algorithm, because everybody has the chance to get his algorithm 21 days testing absolutely for free by trading with our partner TibiGlobe. They were signing up to us and said, okay, hey, this is a great opportunity. So let test our traders for 21 days for free. And so it's a good opportunity. So everybody who is interested in trading algorithmically has the chance to do so, and also signing up to the webinar this evening, Central European Time, 6 p.m., where I'm talking about this algorithm in more detail, where you can find out how to trade with that perfectly. Just go to the website, traden-lernen-online.de, and you find a registration form for the free webinar. Webinar will be in German language tonight. Yeah, that's it to the CrazyDAX actually. Not much more to say. And of course, also it's available for copy trading. So if someone is interested in just attaching the account to it, also possible to do so. So when I see that, I should switch to my screen maybe. When I see now that I would have gotten stopped out here, I did everything correct with the position I had. The problem is just, unfortunately, that here is waiting my stop loss from the sentiment trade actually. This is in jeopardy now, which is bad. And you see as well, the recovery of the balance here is still on 19,904. So if I would close now everything, it would be 150 and plus. But I somehow, but also the DAX, it doesn't look really very good, honestly speaking. Let me check it on the daily, how it looks like. 4-hour chart first. Aye. Oof. This is a big push to the downside, to be honest. I think I take it off. I think I take at least the stop losses here under this level. So either it kills me here, or we are lucky and we get a turnaround then very soon. But I don't want to give too much away anymore from the profits. Euro New Zealand dollar, we can also do the trade management here a little bit higher. That looks relatively nice, this trade, I have to say now. Meanwhile, we're hanging in there already some time. And gold looks like still around, well, Pretty interesting, pretty nice actually. Gold seems to get a push to the upside again. Hopefully, I mean there is also the sentiment gave a zero line bounce. When I'm talking about zero line bounce and sentiment setups, you can find them on the SabioTrade YouTube channel. I did 5 webinars. They're all there for reviewing, and I explained the whole strategy for sentiment. So watch these videos.
Ooh, look at gold.
Uh-huh. It was good this morning already, actually. I just wanted to indicators. Script. That's a chart. Indicators. And then we can here in the indicators, we go immediately to your green bag. Edit indicators, we can remove these and this. So I would wish that you get soon. And is there maybe a chance of a divergence somehow? Doesn't look really like this now. Shit, it has. Sorry for the word, but it has a very, very short touch at the moment. Like it looks very, very heavy.
This is still pushing very strong down.
So let me switch quickly to your screen. You want? You want to show something on gold? What you saw?
No, nothing yet.
No?
No. Don't see anything yet. Any signal.
So now we are waiting at what happens. We are seeing still. We are here shortly before stop out now. We are going to position closed, and I think, to be honest, I take also the DAX out, so that at least we are saving now this one and the gold and the New Zealand dollar I let run. Okay, 269 I made in the DAX, and now we're having still running the gold and the euro New Zealand dollar, and we are looking then further for the next opportunities here in the Dow Jones. Pwah.
Maybe gold.
Okay, let's go to your screen. Show what you think about it. It's a good idea.
I don't know yet, but maybe could I could try buying with a very tight stop loss and take profit,
Take trade.
because in any moment this could.
If we just, yeah.
But I would like to have the confirmation of the arrow.
Thing is that the move in the morning was already pretty strong to the upside when I look at it. So it's maybe we had already 3 swings to the upside.
Could be late.
Could be a little bit late, maybe intraday now.
That's true. Maybe scalping. I don't know. I don't want to take a risk.
Wait for the clear setups, maybe. The setup is not really clear what you, I think, at the moment. Also not here in the US 30 at the moment. It looks very, very weird. Seems the ADP had a big influence. I'm not sure if there was still maybe some Trump tweet or Trump social post. I could hear he has bad survey results, while he sees himself as as very good. So maybe this also has influence. I don't know. It's very difficult to say. ADP usually is not so much weight. It's very interesting that the ADP data this morning triggered such a big drop. It surprises a bit. But now it seems like maybe after it stopped me out, it seems like we get a push to the upside again. Maybe with the momentum shift, I try still a long trade into this morning with the maybe we can trade it back, this one here, to the entry price.
Gold short. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. Yeah. Social good says
39,98. You want to trade short? No?
no, not yet, not yet. Looks like social good did
Go
it.
short. Did it? Could be. Yeah. No, maybe he mentioned as well because he wanted to buy. I don't know. What was the, or if social good is short already. I don't know. So I try another long, and I try now a long position in the Dow. Still. But it doesn't come the momentum. That's not so good. Take profit 3298. Can you check? Can you quickly go to the gold market?
Cheap.
3298. Nice, like it was achieved already, right? With the spike to the downside. When I see correctly, 3298. Yeah, that was already achieved.
Oh, there is a signal.
You wanna take it?
Yeah, I want to try.
Try it. Have your calculation done?
Let me do it quickly. From I see, but no.
Oh.
Holy fuck.
No, it doesn't get better. It
The
doesn't get
thing
better.
when I did. I I'm sweating. Okay. Try now. Oof, it's pretty big. Maybe around here.
What did you measure?
I don't know. Because it was going up while I do one mistake another. Look, oh, what good question, eh?
It's nothing. It's okay.
Okay.
It starts a difficult trade actually. But I have the same trade at the moment is difficult. Let's see if we are able to get this done.
I'm sweating.
You're speeding, huh? Now it starts the crazy time to wait if the trade works or not.
You're in also?
Not yet executed. I placed a sell stop. I can maybe show it shortly. Buy stop. But It's literally the same trade. I think as well that we could see a retracement now slowly coming in, because we are dropping since pre-market without a big break actually. Since 7:15 this morning we are dropping without really a break, and it could be really possible we are getting into a retracement here. Now it should be also soon executed. Now as well I'm executed, and now we see, let's see how it's going. So in the moment we got executed, having still a little bit of potential. So where is your target now from the Fibonacci retracement? Let me switch to your screen. Which retracement level you are preferring? The 38.2, the 23.6, or 50%?
50%.
50% is at around the open price. It would be a target.
More or less. If I am brave enough, I could build positions.
I think we need a little bit more momentum still for this, probably. I see. Oh my God. Why I don't have energy? It is at about to. What's there? What's going on?
Oh.
I have it now. But it's really difficult long trade at the moment, huh? Very difficult long trade. Market seems really heavy. Market seems really heavy. Come on, a beat. We have to help it somehow. Exactly. Come on, go.
I could consider to move upper my stop loss.
That's true. A beat. Okay, let's see if this is going to work. If we get the account of you a little bit higher today. Let's hope, huh?
Hope.
Let's hope. Let's hope and manage the trades.
Better.
Hope is not a good strategy, is it?
No.
What happens when you hope too much in trading? Can you tell
I
from
have a big disappointment.
can you tell from your experience? What happens?
That's the biggest disappointment and madness and this very scale.
It's scary,
Risk-
right? Hoping is really like
Risk
difficult.
management. wait for the moment, the signals.
Now comes a little bit of momentum in. That looks good. It's hopeful. Yeah, it's true. Let's hope. Let's hope. Or it could be really a good. It could be. It could get a good trade, honestly.
15% risk management.
Look at your
strategy.
table. What is your profit target now?
50%.
According to your plan, when you reach the next stage, is $14.
According to this, I am soon
Yes.
achieving my first target.
How do you feel with trading with a plan?
I'm not good following any plan, but it's very helpful because I don't hope 100%. I can hope 50%. The 50% is not depending on me, it's depending on how the market is going. The other 50% is management.
That's true. That's true.
And you?
Yeah, I have the same trade. It's like nicely it's getting on $60 now, $60 profit. We're trying again to reach at least 100. And starting soon the trade management as well, meaning taking risk out.
In these moments, 5 minutes looks like 15, eh?
If you're if you're in a trade that is starting to win, it usually takes longer time than the trades than you are losing. At least from the felt time, from time feeling. At least this is what I have often the impression. A losing trade is ending very fast usually, and a winning trade you need to have patience very often. This is why I like the algo trading a lot, because I don't have to sit there and wait. It's doing its job. Sometimes takes a little bit longer, sometimes goes very fast. But manual trading is also pretty interesting. It definitely makes a lot of fun.
Una divertida montaña rusa.
So if we are here, I think at 13, it's around the 39,960 area. What at least I see here is similar price level here. Yes, it seems to be a resistance here, a small resistance at this moment, which we have to get over to go back into the area direction 40,000. Here we are at the moment having a little bit of problems to get over this 39,958 level. See, here was a rejection exactly at the level, and there would be great if we are getting over, because then I believe at least we are reaching the 40,000 back. Now we try it. Now we are looking over this level, what I'm talking about, and this could trigger some buying.
And to remember who's watching us, to give like,
Oh yes.
any comment, maybe share, could help us to keep doing this no matter the result.
No, this is, exactly, no matter the result. We would like to show how it really is. So we are now over the resistance. Over this small resistance, yes, 2-minute chart is a really, really small resistance. We are now over. So I definitely want to start now to take the risk out of the trade and starting the trading activities.
I do the same, break even.
Yes. So you're now above the plan already. That's amazing with the results. So maybe considering the 38.2 could be a good opportunity here. If you see as well that the parabolic, the dots are coming down. I think that would be for me at least, it's like a thing where I'm taking profit. I'm taking profit at around 40,024.
You say around here?
Could be an opportunity to take the profits off the table, yes. Trail your stop then as well into the profits a bit. Yep, that's okay. Perfect. It's not very dynamic. It's very, 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 very slow going to the upside. Kind of creeping, sneaking to the upside. And everybody who did not give us a like today so far, please do that. We love to see that, if you like that.
Mm-hmm. But that's good. 3 viewers, 3 likes.
That's perfect. We had already some more today, I could see before, but thanks a lot for joining us. We are here for every view. So looks like we are reaching slowly into the area where we can take maybe the trade home.
Honestly, we are doing this because we want to keep doing manual trading, learning, because on the other hand, the algo trading is doing the trades alone very well.
Yeah. No, manual trading is also kind of fun. It's also kind of an exercise of getting disciplined, of executing as well routines, right? This is also very important, in my opinion, that for a trader to have a routine. So I'm profiting now in a few 3, 2, 1, and profiting another 135 this morning. So the day trading today was really, really amazing.
I'm not out yet.
I know you were moving it. This is what I mean with discipline. No, it's all good.
I'm moving up
It's all
the
good.
take profit and
But
the
take
stop
your
loss.
stop loss also moved up. Yes,
Yes,
that's
I
great.
did it.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect. No, really, I'm very good. I like it. Every trader needs to find its own way in managing the positions. There is no right or wrong. At the end is the result saying you if you did a good job or a bad job. And even not this is sometimes true, because if you have a negative result and traded excellent, then just the market conditions have not been like they maybe should have been, that you would be successful. So I'm at the moment have to say 2 trades today, one short, one long. Both were going in the profits, one with 160, one with $130. So $290 today on this account made. We were closing the DAX. Here we're gonna stop out.
It's a pity because it's coming up again, but okay.
Yeah, okay. But here I really didn't want to lose more anymore because it was really quite nicely in profit. We got a stop out on the crude oil trade yesterday. We got a stop out on the US 30 sentiment trade, which could all be both be covered by the DAX winner. And we have the euro New Zealand dollar still at the position when it's in profit stop now. This is okay, so there we don't lose anything anymore. And we have the gold trade, which at the moment has a little bit of problems to accelerate to the upside. But what I'm on the gold trade I find promising is the spikes to the downside. That's really good. That looks there is strength still in the market, and we might see maybe an acceleration of gold again. All in all, the account is now on 20,193, so I could do a kind of adjustment here. So now I forgot the number. Where is it? Here. The number was 2193. I put it here in 20,193, and we were completing one stage now. So now tomorrow we are trading with a tiny little bit higher position size of 1.01, and maybe, to be very honest, I would like to increase the risk a little bit of 0.75% from tomorrow, so that we are accelerating a bit more and trying to reach the funding soon. So what are you gonna do? You manage again? You wait for the take profit, or you move it again higher? I think it's a magic. The magic target is to make 1,000, right?
See, why not? But looks good.
Looks very good.
Looks good.
Looks very good. Maybe take, if you want to trail it to the profit, maybe you could even consider to take the take profit off the station and just trail according to the moving average, if you want to try to get as much as possible.
Can you repeat?
You could even think about to delete the take profit from the system out and just trail it. No.
Uy, was an accident.
or you just move it higher, yes. So it's definitely good. Liz will end the day today in profit, whatever happens.
In profit, see.
So you were having a profitable day yesterday and a profitable day today. Are you happy about that?
See. Scaling, going up slowly, step by step.
So then I would say we're back tomorrow, huh?
See.
Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us today. Tomorrow, promise, we think about to start with the tone tomorrow immediately. Social Good and Andreas and whoever was here, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for the likes. We are looking forward to see you again tomorrow with another trades and wishing you a wonderful afternoon. Maybe we see each other still in the webinar today, 6 p.m. Central European Time. And until then, have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye.